Since our last update, our startups have been to Wired, the leading healthcare event in the UK, visited MSD in Spain to discuss international expansion and met the head of MSD, Kenneth Fraser. And the startups also spoke at the Wayra UK's Diversity Tech Summit.
I found today's visit to be mind-expanding because traditionally at MSD we're focused on bringing new medicines and vaccines to patients, which we have to continue to do. But at the same time we have to be able to work in partnership with our customers, including NHS, to make sure that we can distribute health outcomes in the right way to an entire population.
The progress being made with Velocity Health has been absolutely amazing. We've been really excited to see how we've, number one, got to know some of these startup companies, partnering with them, learning from them, seeing the ambition, seeing the energy that goes behind some of these ideas, and thinking about how we can actually translate much of that back into MSD in our base business. It's been really exciting. And as a company, I think we've learned a lot in a very short period of time.
The last 3 months have been great. We passed 250,000 downloads. We've gotten amazing PR. J.K. Rowling actually downloaded and tweeted us, so that was incredible. We've landed significant funding, over 100K from 2 prominent angels. We've landed a big business deal with Metro Naps, a high-end corporate nap pod maker that makes nap pods for Google, for Cisco, Facebook. It's even in JFK Airport. We're going to be powering the audio experience in those nap pods.
So for the last 4 months, it's been, we've trebled our subscriber base, mostly in the US, but also in Europe and across the world, in Australia, South Africa. We've got subscribers everywhere. And we got into 500 startups, which is great. So I've been spending time in Silicon Valley. We were also nominated for 2 Europa awards, one for CEO and one for Best Health Startup, so that's also really exciting. And we were in the Disrupt 100.
So in terms of since the start of the program, working with MSD, it really has been an incredible opportunity, but actually they've really taken us all into their family, essentially the MSD family, and have supported us in any way, shape or form. We have made significant, developments with the product, working on building out the technology for the cardiac rehab patients. We've had some great, developments in terms of PR and press. The Irish Times have covered us in the innovator section of their, national newspaper.
The last 3 months have been extremely exciting at Apparito. The big highlight, of course, was that we started our study out in India, and it was really great to go out to India and see our tech being well received.
To understand Wayra is to really understand the culture, and there's so much value really bred into the culture of Wayra. Being around all of these other successful, growing startups that are out there making their dreams become a reality and delivering amazing experiences to customers not only teaches you great lessons, but it opens a lot of doors.
Today has been an incredible day just to see MSD and their excitement about the Velocity Health programme. We've obviously benefited from MSD and the Velocity Health programme in the UK and also through MSD Ireland. However, it's been great to see how the European departments of MSD are excited about innovation and seeing better health outcomes for patients through innovation.
It means that MSD cares, that they're really thinking about how to design new ways to approach problems that have existed for many years to help as many people around the world as possible. And it's incredible to watch a culture transform, considering how big MSD is and how much impact it has in the world, and its willingness to really put in the effort, the time and the energy to manifest itself in as many forms as possible, to help as many people as possible. It's incredibly amazing to watch.